Hey guys, it's Alex with Hill Vending. We got a crazy video for you today. As you know, we're in Corona. We're still in the midst of Corona down here in Florida. But guess what? We're getting into one of our accounts today that we haven't been to in over 6 months. Who knows what we're even gonna run into when we're down there. Me and Mike, we're gonna roll down.
Mike here with Hill Vending. We don't know what we're going to get into. We could find a compressor froze up. We don't know what we're getting into with these machines. We're hoping for big pulls, lots of cash, and no product in them. We're going to find out though. What's going on, guys? Mike here. We're here on location. We're about to go get checked in, get our temp check and everything, and then go back and check these machines out, see what's going on. What's up, guys? We're here on location. As you can see, the machine is absolutely obliterated. Before we started filming, we actually did find some gum inside the coin slot. Maybe it's just from a resident, who knows, but we're back in business.
Hey guys, bringing in the load now. This isn't even going to be all of it. This is just to get us started. We'll be back next week though to check them. It's good to be back in Gulfport. Guys, we just filled the medical facility. Now we're about to leave Gulfport and head back to the shed. Let's see how much we collected. Got the bag in from the location. Now let's find out how much those two empty machines brought in. Okay, so in coins, $120.90, and in bills, $449, for a total of $570 from that location, from those two machines. And those machines we actually don't have credit card readers on. It's one of our smaller locations. So hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And if you liked what you saw, you want to learn more about vending, check out our ebook. The link will be below. Also subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, all that stuff, and leave in the comments how you guys are doing with your collections. Are you able to get into your accounts? Let me know. And until next time, remember, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.